Hi, welcome. Today's lesson is about the verbal phrase. First, let's define a verbal. What is a verbal? A verbal is a word derived from a verb. It functions as a noun, an adjective, or an adverb. Example: the key to a healthy relationship is loving. Loving is a verbal in the form of a gerund. A gerund is a verb plus ing. It is formed from verb love and functions as a noun, being a direct object. So it's a direct object for the verb is. A confident child has a loving family. Loving is a verbal in the form of a present participle. It is formed from verb love and functions as an adjective modifying family. Our loved ones do not go on forever, in spite of what we may allow ourselves to believe. Karen Henderson. Loved is a verbal or a past participle. It is formed from verb love and functions as an adjective modifying once. Loved ones. Loved modifies once. It is not easy to love. To love is a verbal in the form of an infinitive. An infinitive is to plus base verb. It is formed from to in the base form of verb love and functions as an adverb modifying easy. What is a verbal phrase? A verbal phrase is a verbal plus a modifier or complement. Types of verbal phrases. Participial phrase, it functions as an adjective. Example: fearing the new laws applied, Hansel chooses honesty over deception. Fearing the new laws applied is a participial phrase. This is a type of verbal phrase. It functions as an adjective. Another example: baked in the oven for over 6 hours, the roast looked ruined. The phrase in bold is a participial phrase that functions as an adjective. It modifies the noun roast. Verbal phrases could also be a gerund phrase. A gerund phrase that functions as a noun. Exercising every day keeps you healthy. Here, exercising every day is a subject. It could also be an infinitive phrase. An infinitive phrase can function as a noun. To respect your family is a priority. Here, it's acting as a subject. It could function as an adjective. I need a tutor to help me study. To help me study is an adjective. To help me study modifies tutor. It could also function as an adverb. To get into college, you need good grades. To get into college is an adverb that modifies need. Keep in mind that a participial phrase is formed with a participle and any complements and modifiers. The participle in the participial phrase can be a present participle ending in ing or a past participle ending in ed. They act as adjectives only. Gerund phrases are formed with a base verb plus ing. Also, note that gerund phrases are formed with a base verb plus ing. A gerund phrase is always a noun. Infinitive phrases are formed with to and a base verb plus any complements and modifiers. That was all for today. Thank you for attending this class.